So this rogue agent found a super alien gizmo that could open jump gates that break through the galactic barriers?
It's called a singularity drive, Sergeant, and she installed it into the Astrid.
Uh-huh. And these gates, they're all over the place, but you can't detect them unless you have the key.
Right.
So we're gonna go past the Terran blockade with the Virons, get the Astrid, and then use it to evacuate Morningstar?
Exactly. But we're going on a little detour first, to pick up some equipment for the Virons.
This whole thing is getting too freaky, boss.
It's likely to get even freakier, Ro. Alice, how do we know this thing will really work when we use it?
Well, we don't. But there were indications in the log of the pod that it does. And that they soft-crashed the Astrid voluntarily.
Voluntarily? That certainly makes things much clearer. Lovely.
Good luck, Jacob. Be careful.
Begin orbital maneuvers, please. You're sure they've got the drilling equipment you need, Drakmar?
The Terrans have drilled Zethane here for many years, Angelus Captain.
Then I suppose...
Shit, boss!
Status report, Vicar!
Too much damage. Must land.
Deacons, hell. Vicar, what's our status?
Crashed in swamp. Some dead casualties. Most essential systems of clan ship damaged. We are stranded until repaired.
I got another one of those feelings right before we left, boss. We got away from Morningstar too damn easy.
Well, the Terrans know where we are and they're not going to leave us alone. And we still need to acquire Zethane drilling towers at the Virons and to make a last stand on Morningstar. But first, we have to secure the area around the clan ship so we can make repairs undisturbed.
Angelus Captain, something near ship is sending electromagnetic distortion. Ship's scanners not working. Must investigate. I have Viron units standing by.
Drakmar, are you sure it's a good idea to have me commanding Viron troops? We barely understand each other.
You are a mission commander. They follow your orders without question as honor demand, leading Viron units almost like with your Krig troops. But first, you need lesson in Viron nanobionic warfare.
The Virons are capable of transforming two units of the same type into a new, more powerful unit in a process called melding. In order to meld, select two identical units and click on the meld button in the order palette. The units will move towards each other and initiate the meld process. When the process is complete, a new unit will emerge from the melding bubble. Note that already melded units cannot be melded again. Melded units can, however, unmeld to their previous forms. Click on the unmeld icon in the order palette to reverse the process.
Drakmar, I found the source of the interference. Some kind of alien pillar. I think we damaged it when we crashed.
It is a xenofact, Angelus Captain. Powerful technology put on many worlds by aliens. Virons called the Elder Race millennia ago.
The aliens that created the singularity drive. What are the pillars for?
Their exact purpose not known. Only know that they are very powerful and go deep into planet. Every planet seems to have different kind of xenofacts. Virons have respect for history and not disturb.
If we placed a couple of mobile relay scanners in the field, would Would they cut past the interference?
Yes, we'll work. Use Viron engineers to place scanners at places marked on map. No. Orders confirmed. Yes. As you command. Yes. Assaulting. Yes. Orders confirmed. Assaulting. We will do. More enemies.
Looks like the Terrans have troops on the
This is
island.
not possible.
Captain Angelus
Yes.
and Viron traitors.
We're under attack.
I am Centurion
Glorious victory
Caesarus.
awaits.
Imperative Lana has bestowed
Yes.
upon me the honor
As you
of bringing
command.
you to Imperial justice.
Attacking.
Not very likely,
We
Terran.
destroy
But
gold.
thank you for the welcome.
Enemies approaching.
Looks like they found us, boss. The VCAS was
We're
right,
under
boss. Looks
attack.
like a good spot to place the
Orders
radar.
confirmed.
I don't understand any of this
Glorious
Viron
victory
tech,
awaits.
so you'll have to use
More
Viron
enemies.
engineers to put them in position.
Orders confirmed. We've captured a victory location.
Mobile Scanner 1 is in
Yes.
position.
Assaulting. 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 Orders confirmed. Orders confirmed. Yes. 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 Orders confirmed. We will do. Yes. Yes. Orders confirmed. As you command. We will do. Orders confirmed. As you command. Yes. Orders confirmed. Yes. 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 Alexa. As you command. Yes. Yes. Orders confirmed. We will do. We're under attack. We destroy good. We destroy good. Orders confirmed. Orders confirmed. Orders confirmed. Assaulting. Orders confirmed. As you command. Assaulting. Assaulting. Yes. Assaulting. Yes. We will do. Orders confirmed. Assaulting. Enemies approaching. As you command. Orders confirmed. No enemies. Orders confirmed. Eto. Alexa. As you command. We destroy good. Assaulting. Alexa. Alexa. Orders confirmed. We will do. Yes. Glorious victory awaits. Glorious victory awaits. Orders confirmed. Yes.
The island is under our control, Drakmar. Doesn't look like there's anything here we can use. Just a bunch of old Terran rubbish.
Yes. As you command. As you command. Orders confirmed. Yes. We will do. Yes. command. No enemies. Yes. Yes. Assaulting. 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 Dagma. Negative. Orders confirmed. Enemies approaching. Aksa. Yes. 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 More enemies. Orders confirmed. Eto. Yes. Their weapons hurt. No enemies. Assaulting. Yes. Yes. More enemies. Assaulting. Eto. Orders confirmed. Yes. As you command. We will do. Orders confirmed. Assaulting. Orders confirmed. Yes. Aksa. Their weapons hurt. Their weapons hurt. Glorious victory awaits. Enemies approaching. Orders confirmed. We're under attack. Glorious victory awaits.
All Terran forces are either dead or fleeing. Looks like we can take a breather.
Yes. Yes. We will do.
Mobile Scanner 2 is now in place. Right. Drakmar, we should have a clear view of the whole area.
See, Angelus, Captain. Virons follow your commands. You'll do well.
Drakmar, I'm sure we don't have much time before they attack again. If Lana somehow orchestrated our crash, she definitely wants us to stay on Krig.
Yes. And this Centurion, Cesaros, is known to us a close agent of Lama Imperator.
Then we can't waste any time. Let's get the ship repaired so that we can get those drilling rigs we came here for.